In the settings, there are even embroidery setup options that you can turn on and turn off as needed. So let's go ahead and go to the Bernina setup area and touch the fourth icon over on the top row, the one with the hoop. So in here, just a couple things that you can adjust. Number one, speed. So if you want it to go a little bit slower, 680 stitches per minute is what it's set for. This second one is a global tension. So if you would like things to be a little reduced or more, you can do it right here, and then you don't have to do it for every time that you turn it on. It's just been automatically reduced for you. But the biggest one is probably these three boxes here. You notice they have a yellow box around them, so that does mean that they are active when the machine comes to you. So what are they? The first one is actually, it shows 2 spools of thread with scissors in between. So it's an automatic thread cut after color change. So if you would like it to cut in between your jumps, or in between your colors, I should say, you will have that feature on. Now, not all embroidery designs actually have the information to tell the machine to cut. So if you don't have cutting happening, it might not be because of this function, but because of actually the design information. So, but leave it on, it's great, because then you don't have to go back and trim your designs. But there are times where I don't want it to trim, so I do turn that off from time to time. The next one over is actually cut thread after starting to embroider. So if you don't want it to cut your thread after embroidering, when you start, you can actually turn that off. And then the last one is actually the locking stitches. So this is just the standard 3 locking stitches that you can actually have on the machine. So if for any reason you want it to lock at the beginning or end, then you can actually turn that one off as well. And remember, things that are turned on or off within the settings or the setup of the machine are remembered each time you turn the machine off and on.